Today I want to show you guys what a lifter tick sounds like. These vehicles are notorious for having the lifters in the engine fail. So I'm going to start this up and you're going to be able to hear the sound that it's making. That way you can be sure if you start to hear this sound, you know, we got to get it in and get it checked out before it causes additional damage. So I'm going to get in and start it now. You can hear that. So we're going to go ahead and take this engine apart and show you all what this looks like on the inside, what actually fails and why it makes that noise. Now we've got to get deep down inside this engine, so I'm going to do the best I can to show you most of the steps here. Disconnect the battery. That way when we disconnect the alternator, no voltage getting shorted out anywhere. Alright, we're going to remove the intake manifold. I've already loosened up all the bolts. There we go. Alright, need to take the valve covers off. Alright, now we're going to take the cylinder head off. Alright, now we're going to unbox the camshaft and put some white lithium grease on there. So this thing has some lubrication before the oil pump can actually get oil to it. We certainly don't want to install it dry. It's a little bit of a tight fit getting this thing in. Should be real gentle. This one slid together really nicely. Now we're going to install these lifters into the lifter guide here. Now these are what internally fail and can cause some lifter noise. This particular engine didn't have the major failure where the roller actually gets wore down flat. So we got lucky there. These are where they go right here in the valley of this engine. It's rests right on top of the camshaft that we just put in. And then there you go. So now we just reverse the removal procedure and put this thing all back together. Alright, now we've got the new cam and the lifters in it. I'm going to go ahead and start it up, show you what it should sound like. And there we go. So we'll get down here, you can hear there's no more ticking.